Today I wanted to do something very new. Currently 7 a.m. Well, almost 8 o'clock. I have my matcha tea. The only thing I didn't get was remover. So in this big hefty box, I have lash glue. I see it like everywhere on other social medias. Nothing new. A lot of people are used to seeing that. Again, Amazon Prime. I bought tweezers online. These were like $2. Last one, bubble wrap. Oh yeah, if you notice the quality in my mic is better. I got a new mic. You can hear my beautiful voice more clear. It's because I got a new mic. So I got like individual lashes. I didn't get the ARDELL cluster. I wanted to try to do one lash at a time. This is another lash I got. Oh yeah, by the way, if my face is red, it's because I derma rolled last night. I have a video about it below. I can link it. It makes your skin look beautiful and it will make it stay young forever. I don't have scissors, so I'm just gonna use my eyebrow scissors. More ASMR. Just kidding. I want to do a makeup ASMR video because I have an awesome mic now, so I can actually do like ASMR. There's like measurements on this. 8mm, 9mm, and it goes all the way to 15mm. This is seriously gonna take so long. So I'm just gonna put a bit in cap here. Okay, I think you can kind of see it. A bit of glue. You can barely see that I put on any glue. I'm gonna try to do the first few lashes off camera and just see how it goes. And then if I can figure out how to do it, then I will come back and show you how to do it. So I'll be right back. This is my lash. Oh my god, it actually looks so good. This is probably the most dramatic I'll go, just because without makeup I want to still look natural. What I learned from this experience doing this eye, this is my dominant hand, so it's like easy to just apply with my right, but then I have to apply with like this for this eye. So as you can see, there's so many random dots of like my lash glue here. The thing is, it dries so darn quick. They weren't sticking at first because I was taking my time, but I learned once you take off an individual lash, take, dip, put it on, take, dip, put it on. Like that's literally how fast you should be moving with this because it dries so fast. That's why I have like multiple dots of it, because like you're gonna have to keep putting fresh glue on, because once it gets kind of tacky, it's a bit too thick and almost too much glue comes on, because you should not use that much glue. So I'm gonna start with my 13s. 13s. They're so tiny I can't even see it on camera. Oh, that's kind of a lot. I just dip it in the glue. A thing that helped me like a crazy amount was curling your lashes before you apply. If you curl your lashes, you could see them so much more clear. So they're like this. And then you take the glue and you apply it immediately. Okay, I don't know if you could see that. Do you see that? Basically, you just work from the outside in. Like I just apply straight down. My eyelash is kind of crooked. Like if it's leaning this way, then I just take my little thingy and like I close it and then I just kind of shape my eyelash into what direction it wants to point, because if you make it dry in the wrong direction, it will not come off. It just takes practice. It took me about an hour to do this eye. It's now currently 9:30 a.m. so I've been doing this for quite a while. Make sure to give yourself plenty of time because you don't want to like rush it. If there's too much glue, then just tap right beside it. You see that? This definitely does take more time than the clusters, but I think these individual lashes look way more natural. I think in total, everything together was like $30. It's not bad at all. I'm gonna just go and start in the middle. These 11mm. They look so good. And like I can't even feel them on my lashes. They feel like they just feel so light. So I'm gonna just try a couple of the 8mm. After that, you just, yeah, like you literally just keep applying from the top. Just keep applying. I literally am using like almost half of this is gone. This is what the 8mm looks like. Like that. You literally just place it very softly. Again, it's just a matter of you getting the hang of it. And it's looking really good. I'm gonna do the rest of the eye off just because like it's pretty repetitive. Like it's awesome. I will link everything down below and I'll be right back with the final product. Hey! This is the final product. Look at this. Definitely I did my right eye better than my like left one because like it was really hard to do that. But it's safe to say that I think I did an okay job. They look very natural. Like the outer half I did 13s, and then like 11s in the middle, and then I did 8s in the inner corner. So then I have like this beautiful transition. I can't wait to go to school without like, I could literally just like fill in my brows, maybe put on a bit of BB cream. It will look so good. But yeah, that's my whole tutorial. I hope I can help some of you guys out at least. It's really hard to do it on camera. Currently 10:40 a.m. So I woke up at 7 to do this, so it took a while. Obviously, the more time you spend being more precise, the better the result you'll get. This is what the lashes look like. I did try to put on a bit of mascara. This is the e.l.f. one. And why I like this mascara specifically for these extensions is because they don't volumize or lengthen lashes whatsoever. They literally, like I put an e.l.f. review down below and I didn't like the mascara at all. I didn't like the mascara at all because it didn't do anything for my lashes except dye them black. So that is the exact reason why I'm using these on my lashes right now, because they don't put any crud in your lashes. It literally just dyes them black. Yeah, so if you want to see how my lashes turn out, just keep watching. It is currently 11:45 p.m. Tuesday, January 23rd. I put these lashes on Saturday. Updates, they still look pretty good. This left eye, I'm messing up, like it's kind of like intertwining and pointing different directions. And then this eye is still pretty good. Still looks the same the day I put it on. This is the 4th day my lashes are surviving and like they still look really good. So I'll do a close-up. Try to do an update every single day until the end of the week. You should be seeing this on the 28th. You should get the full 7 days, a full week of me trying this on. I think my lashes are looking pretty darn good. This right eye, like it's so nice still. I like took a shower and like the shower was in my face and like water was on it. Like I even rubbed my left eye in the morning a couple times. Like I was rubbing it and I had to stop myself because I was like, oh shoot, like I feel extensions. It is 8:08 a.m. Thursday, January 25th. My right eye, it's like still perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm just brushing them out and all of them are staying even because I did a good job on it. But my left eye on the other hand, it's all like messed up. I'm going to be cutting off this end. You see that? It's like dangling. It's just hanging on. I'm just gonna snip it off. Okay, you see it fall off. Yesterday it started really to like flop around, and then today it's just like completely like just dangling from my eyelash. You could see my left eye, like a lot of lashes fell out. At least I know that the lashes and the lash glue was not the problem. It was me that was the problem. I just did a terrible job on this eye because this eye is still looking so good. Like literally from the day it's still like nothing budged, I swear. It is now Saturday. It's been a full week. 9:48 a.m. Yesterday, I went to the gym, worked up a sweat. I put on like several like face masks throughout the week. Yesterday, my left eye had like 2 hairs just sticking like in the middle. And good thing is that none of my real lashes came off. Like this was totally pain-free process. My left eye, like there's literally nothing. Like there's no more eyelashes left, and yet this one still has like a lot of eyelashes, just because I think I applied my eyelashes way more precise and better on this eye, because of course my right hand is my dominant hand. This is the first time I've ever done eyelash extensions, so pretty impressed still with the outcome. It was just around maybe like Wednesday where like this eye was pretty noticeable that like hair was coming off. Thursday, Friday, it was just like not working out. It was not good at all. This is how my eyelashes are looking right now. After this video, I'm gonna do a whole set on this eye. I'm going to go put a face mask on right now, as I'm about to, you know, retouch my eyelashes. On the package, on the glue, to use tin foil instead of just like plastic or any other surface. So maybe I'm thinking if I use this, the glue will last longer. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try it out now, and if you want to know, I could write in the description to see how it is. Okay, so I just did my makeup because I'm going out in a bit. I just redid my left eye. Hey, looking good. I just wanted to update you and let you know that my left eye, it took like half an hour at most probably, as opposed to like, I think last time I said it took like an hour and a half per eye, which is crazy now that I think about it, because it only took half hour to do this eye. And I only did like a few lashes, like I spent less time on it. This eye, obviously, like it's kind of a bit like cruddy looking. Like I think there's like old glue still kind of like on it, like piling up. So I didn't retouch this eye like at all. Like I only put one or two like hairs and then I gave up. And then this eye I totally redid from scratch because obviously there was no hairs left, as you could see before in the previous clip. Yeah. It feels good. I'm feeling good. The convenience is awesome, like not having to spend like time putting on mascara. Legit looked like I put on falsies or something, or a crap ton of mascara. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. So if I only have to spend like a half hour to an hour a week just doing my eyes, not even, I'd keep this up. Like this is pretty awesome. I don't even feel them on my eyelids again. Like I'm just like, whoa, do I have eyelash extensions? Like I have to like ask myself that several times in the day and like remind myself that I have them on. I can't stop looking in the viewfinder. They're just like, I'm just so happy. Please subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get all my notifications if you like these. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace. I just changed my lip color. What do you guys like better? I don't know. I have to do like several poses before I can decide which like lip color to wear, or like clothes even. I have to be like for like 10 minutes before I can decide, and I'm just like, no, this looks like crap. So then I change it. And now it's round 2. I'm like, what do I want? But then again, I have to leave in like 2 seconds now. Usually that's the thing. It's like you decide and decide and decide, and then it gets down to like you have to leave in like 5 minutes, so you're like, okay, screw it, and then I'm just wearing this. That's usually what happens.